Hello, good morning. This is my 14th vlog. Welcome back. So happy to see you guys. I hope you're well. Today I am opening up my today I am opening up my glitter shop on Etsy, so I'm pretty excited for that. Also, if you are a part of my VIP group, you know that I'm doing a big giveaway for you guys. Somebody gets one of each color of my glitters. So I'm gonna be doing that giveaway today as well. So a lot of stuff happening this weekend. I finally got done with all my orders. I was able to sit down and I've just been so busy just packing up glitters and stuff like that. But I'm pretty excited. So I really wanted like a big selection of glitters when I opened up my shop, but seeing as getting them in time, it's just not possible. But all the money that I make today from my sales when I first open, I plan on contacting my vendor and I'm gonna be getting a whole bunch more in. So I'm just gonna continue to budget myself, because like I said, you know, having a small business, you have to budget yourself. You don't want to go bankrupt over it. The whole point of it is earning money, right? So I'm gonna get a hold of my vendor and I'm going to get a bunch more stuff in. This is a whole new thing for me, a whole new world to me. So I am so excited. And obviously on top of all that, I need to freshen up my custom tumbler shop, because I'm gonna be opening that back up on Monday. Again, it never feels like I have enough time, but here I am still doing it. So I'm gonna be opening, like I said, my tumbler shop on Monday. So I just kind of want to go through, and I guess you can add videos now to your Etsy listings. So I don't know, I want to try that out, I guess. I don't know. So I don't even have my coffee out here because I was just so excited to talk to you guys. But I am ready to wake, prep, and slay all day. Let's do this.
Morning. You ready to do this?
I think, I don't know. How about you? Are you excited for Mama? Yeah, she's like, no, give me my milk. Okay, it's almost time. All right, here we go. What is it?
It is 8 o'clock.
It is 8 o'clock, so my shop is now active. There we go. All right. Let's go into my shop and check that out real quick. Oh, now the kids want to fight. Shh. Mama's videotaping. I said videotaping. Videotaping? No. Recording. Whatever.
Filming.
All right, so let me go into my shop here. I did the videos. I just wanted to check out the videos. Look at that. There's videos in there. I really like that. That's a really cool feature.
Yeah, it is very cool.
Yeah, so people can actually like see what it looks like. She's coming over. She wants to hang out. She's like, I just want to come see.
All right, you want to come help?
Yeah, you want to come help? Okay, she's going the long way. Right. So many cha-chings. Okay, so, oh, I guess I should have brought my laptop back in here. Let me go grab that. All right, we're getting our packages together. We got those cha-chings going. Oh my goodness. Thank you guys so much. It's crazy. Getting stuff together.
Well, yeah, I'm just trying to keep up.
It in order, yeah.
Seems like every time I set one down, it cha-chings again. So we're gonna get all these, before I have to go to the post office.
Yeah, I'm hoping today.
Same day.
Yeah. All right, an hour later, and I made 88 sales. That's outstanding. Yeah, we have them already all packaged up and they are ready to go to the post office here in a little bit. So 1 hour later, thank you guys. Oh my goodness. All right, it's been 2 hours and now I have 133 sales and we are heading to the post office so that way this stuff can get shipped out. You wanna say hi? Hi. Oh, she's playing peekaboo. Oh, there she is. Peekaboo. Oh, oh. Peekaboo. Okay. Funny. There's a lot there. Daddy has more in the kitchen. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, let's go get these. Okay, so it's 6 o'clock in the evening on my first day of my shop being open, and I have made 160 sales. I'm blown away. I can't say it enough. Thank you guys. Thank you. So I announced the winner. She got to win one of each color, so she wins one of every single one of my colors that I had out for sale in my shop. So I think that went over really well. So that's not all of it, there's more down there. So I'm gonna get that bagged up. I'm gonna write a little thank you card. So, you know, it's very special to me, all this, you know. I don't know. But earlier, we went out on a little family ride because we just needed to leave the house for a little while. We've been stuck in this house for months and all that. So we went out on a family ride. It was really nice. I'm so happy we were able to go out and we had such a nice time. Everybody really enjoyed themselves. So now that I'm back, I gotta finish up bagging up some more stuff, some more sales that I had made while we were out. And then I have to start thinking about my Tumbler shop. So I'm gonna be kind of doing that tonight, and then in the morning we'll see what else I have to do. Good morning, it's Sunday morning. Now I have to think about my Tumbler shop. So that's what I'm gonna be doing today. I think I'm gonna add some videos to my listings. There's a couple things I wanted to try out as far as color combinations and stuff goes. So that's what I'm gonna be doing today. Okay, so all day I've been refreshing photos. I put all kinds of videos of what I could. Here she comes. I put all kinds of videos that I could and with my tumblers, so that way, you know, it could help customers seeing what I use. Right, Charlotte? Right. So I'm pretty curious to see if that will help. I think it's pretty neat that people can see photo or videos now of your products. I really do think it will help. So that was a long day of doing all that. So like I said, I had some color combinations. It's hard to point. You guys are this way. That I'm doing up. This one is one of my new colors. It's still kind of rough. I still have some other stuff that I want to do to it, so. And then I had some other colors that I'm doing. Hold on, let me see if I can pick it up. That's my purple. That's not my yellow though, but that's okay. Because I like to buy glitter from everywhere, so. It's pretty, isn't it? So that's gonna be another one. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it yet. Have to wait and see. But I also went out and bought some new spray paint colors. Let's see here. I guess everybody's really into this one. It's that vintage blush. Yes, baby, I hear you. She's like, let me in. Vintage blush, that's so pretty. I can't wait to use that. And I also bought some metallic acrylic paints. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with those yet. I did do one. I'll show you. Let me see if I can get it off here. Hold on. It's taking forever. Hold on. I did do this. You can see it. And that's that slate color. And that's my purple. I thought that was really pretty. So I still have to finish it up, obviously. I still need a couple more coats. I don't think I'm gonna add anything to it. I think I kind of like it just like that. So I really like that. I thought that was pretty. But with this black one, I already know what I want to do, and I'm pretty excited about it. So, you know, I watched a lot of other YouTube tutorials because, you know, I'm not the only person that does YouTube tutorials out there. And I think I have an idea of what I want to do to this. So I'm pretty excited. But obviously that's going to be something that I'm going to offer in my shop. That's not something I'm going to show you guys because it's already been done. But I really liked the idea, thought it was super cute, so I want to do it. But other than that, you know, I'm trying to enjoy the silence. It's really weird not having anything going. It's been weird. Like I don't know. I feel like I've been being lazy when I know I'm not being lazy. I have like a ton of other stuff I'm doing, but yeah. I got my little sidekick with me. We're outside. I think we're just gonna enjoy the rest of the day because, like I said, tomorrow I open up my other shops, and I have 2 shops. That's, if you would have told me that a year ago, actually if you would have told me that a couple months ago, I would have thought you were crazy, because this is just, I don't eat, boo, yes. I don't even know. But like I said, even when I have off, I don't really have off because I'm always thinking, I'm always doing, and that's just how it is. That's just how my mind works, I guess. And I'm sure that's how you guys work too. You're always thinking about new designs. You're always thinking about how you can push yourself. We just got to keep going. We got to keep pushing ourselves, because who knows where I will be a year from now? Who knows where you'll be a year from now? You just got to keep going. If you have an idea in your head and you know you believe in yourself, it'll happen for you. I just know it. It will happen for you. I might actually go sit on the couch and watch TV. I don't even know. Typically I don't. Typically I'm always doing something, but I still have a couple, obviously, I still have a couple more things to wrap up, but. Right, Charlotte? Mama's gotta get dinner going. Yeah. Gotta get dinner going. Daddy has his stuff he's doing. Yeah. Yeah. All right, guys. I have my afternoon drink. Oh. The flies are out. And I think that's going to do it for today for me. Thank you guys so much again for being here, for being a part of my channel, for being a part of my life. I so appreciate it. From the bottom of my heart, thank you guys so very much. If you haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any more tutorials or vlogs or tips or whatever, you know, things I have coming you guys' way. And I will see you guys next time. Bye. Bye. All right, there we go. Bye.